channel DadaBhaiTechnologers. So in this video I will be discussing what is VMware Workstation, how to download it and how to activate it. So you must be wondering what is VMware. So VMware is an company, means VMware is a manufacturer of the most famous program named VMware Workstation or VMware Workstation Player. So we will discussing about that only. So you guys must to see this video from the first to the last. Then you will understand how to download it and how to activate it. So let's get started. So what is VMware Workstation? A VMware Works is an open source program that is manufactured by a company, VMware Inc. So what's the use of it? The use of it is you can run any other operating system in your operating system. You have the compute. This is what is the meaning of this sentence. So I will give you an example. You can see my computer, it's running Windows 7. So I will see it. You can write that I am running Windows 7. So if we install VMware Workstation, we can run Windows 8 also, Windows 10 also, everything. But in the video title, it's how to download VMware Workstation 9. VMware Workstation are two types. One is VMware Workstation and second is VMware Player, also known as VMware Workstation Player. So what's the difference about it? So difference is VMware Player is a small program but don't have many features and is only for non-commercial use. But if you are using VMware Workstation, it is a huge program and it is for commercial use. You have to activate it if you download VMware Workstation. So if you are running VMware Workstation, so it will be do as to activate it. If you don't activate, you can't run any operating system that I told you. So how to download it? So to download it, it's first go to your browser. So I am going to a Chrome browser. If you have Internet Explorer or Firefox or Vivaldi or Yandex or Microsoft Edge, don't do anything. Just one tick on your browser. Then you have to write it VMware. You can see that I write VMware. So I am seeing that is all is Firehorse. You can see that it is all from Firehorse. Now you can see that I am writing Firefox, but I will got this. Now you see when I type VMware, it's an American cloud computing technology. We can run any virtual program. You can see this. If you are now download any VMware, like you first have to go to the resources. Then you have to go. Mine is not opening. Yes, it's opened. So you can see this. Then you have to go product downloads. You have to go to the product downloads, this. Then it will go to the customer connected VMware. Now it will do all the downloads you need. So first you have to go to desktop and end user computing. Then you have to search VMware Workstation. So you can see guys, it's telling VMware Workstation Player and VMware Workstation Pro. What I told you that VMware is of two types. One is VMware Player or also known as VMware Workstation Player, and another is VMware Workstation or also known as VMware Workstation Pro. So there are too many. So you have to, if you want to download these, means Pro, so you go to the download product. See now, the latest version is this. VMware Workstation Pro 16.1.2 for Windows And if you are Linux user, you go to this. This is driver tools, open source. This is custom ISOs and OEM add-ons. But I can't run these. So you can go there, but this is only 2 pros. So what will go? Just as I tell, I can't run. So I can give my properties. You can see that I am running 32-bit processor, or I can tell in system information also. Just click the keyboard shortcut Windows plus R and go to run and write this msinfo32 and go to system information easily. See, it's Windows 7 Ultimate. I am running Service Pack 1 build 7600. Then it's an all the telling, and you see system type is x86 based PC, and the processor is this Intel Core to Duo CPU with 2 cores and 2 logical processor. My BIOS date you can see it is from 2016. So you can see all the things that I am seeing. So just as I tell that I am running 32-bit operating system, so I can run this also. So just as I'm down, just where did you go? I will give a link. This link, I will go and download this. So just I will give the link in the description. So it will be easy. This is the VMware 9 link. So just copy it. Means this keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus C. Then paste it Ctrl plus V and this and click enter. You can see this. I will just close this. Because the VMware Workstation 9 built this number 812388. But the latest version is this. This is just as I tell in the VMware website, VMware Workstation 16.1.2. This. So this is some older versions. You can see this is some older versions. So you can older versions like this. You can see this. There are many older versions. So you can do from here. I will just go to the old versions and do. Now where do you download? To download it, first I give the system requirements. Where is system requirement? I can't see the system requirement. It is there. Okay, what can I download? You have to do this free download. Just click on it and just click on this and it will just start the download. And just as I tell you that I have already downloaded. I don't tell you, but I tell that I have already downloaded. This exe file will do. This application file, VMware Workstation full 9.0.0.812388.exe. This file will appear. So just click on this, and if any ad open, just click close. Then it will start downloading. So just I closed it and run this exe as administrator. It can take few minutes. Means it is copying the files to download it. See, the user account control is there, but some screen recording softwares don't see this. So I don't know if you see this, but I will this. Click on yes. It will. Then it will do the VMware Workstation setup. You can see this. VMware Workstation 9. It is a 2012 version because it is very low. Then welcome to the installation wizard of our VMware Workstation. The installation wizard will install VMware Workstation on your computer. To continue, click next. Then just click next. Then how do you download? You can have the custom or you can have typical. So the best option for this is typical. I'll just go to typical. Then you can see this installs VMware Workstation to this. It is the directory of VMware Workstation. You can change it from this. Yes, you can change the directory. So I will only see this and click next. Then uncheck this. Check for product updates for startup. Also uncheck this. Then click next. You can do shortcuts or not shortcuts, but it's mandatory for running VMware Workstation. So just click next and click continue to begin the process. So the process is opening. You can see this VMware Workstation setup performing the requested operations. Please wait while the wizard performs the requested operation. This may take several minutes. Status: installing and configuring additional component. It is on the temp file. So just download it. You can show on this. Just as I told you that it is my first video of my channel DadaBhaiTechnologers. So I thought that the view aim is about 100k. So if you see this, it is very good, and also share this video to all of your friends for how to download VMware Workstation, and if you are struggling to install VMware. So also like this video to enjoy this content. If you enjoy this content, please like the video and subscribe to my channel DadaBhaiTechnologers for more interesting tech videos. So I will go, and I have my second channel. If my subscriber is very good, my second channel name is DadaBhai Gaming. Means it is my gaming channel. I post gaming videos, and I have already posted 4 videos on gaming. I am thinking that I will do another video on gaming. Now it is taking too long. You can see the icon is open. It's like packages on the system. So I will just pause this video and open it when it will download. Let's pause this video now. So guys, I have just paused this video because it is taking too much time. So once you have downloaded it, it will enter license key, means it activated. It is also telling optional, you can enter this information later. So I will not do here, but I will skip it. Setup wizard complete. It will finish. So just for now, yes, downloaded it, and I will just open it. So what we will do? Just it will tell that it have to end, means yes, the license agreement. Means you have to accept the terms and license agreement of VMware. Just click yes and OK. You can see guys that it is opened like this, but it is not responding for now, but I will respond it later. You can see that it is telling not responding, but when some PCs are this type of like me, that it is sometimes not responding like me, because you know that I am running 32 bit, and you can see that not responding off. Now you can see this. Now I have not activated. Now I don't have activated. So if there is a problem, yes, you can't run any virtual machine on this. Just I will see how to run a virtual machine. New virtual machine wizard. Typical. Next. Now the pressed letters. So if you have any Windows disk, so you just click on it and select it. If you have any ISO file, so just click on it, and you can also install the hard disk later. But for now, my ISO images are on my hard disk, means my external hard disk. I will just connect it and I will do. I will just pause the video for a minute because I am just connect the hard disks and I will see. So as I tell guys that I am just taking my HDD. So I have write my HDD. So you can see this in my computer. It is telling this HDD. Then I will ISO files and I will just click this Windows 7 ISO. Open. Then you can see this Windows 7 detected. This operating system will use easy install. Next. Now you can do the version of Windows. You can do like I will do home premium, and it needs the Windows product key. So I have because I am running Windows. Because I am running Windows 7, so I can run this product key also, but it's not activated. Yes, it activated also. I cannot select it also here. So yeah, I have to go to the net and do it. Means I have to go to the internet and see what the product key is. I cannot select it also, but the previous time I can select it. So I have to go and select it because I don't. Then so you can see this. I have. What's the problem? You know that I can't do any because my marker is on. Escape. So you can see my marker is on. So this is so sorry guys. So I will just write it because my marker is very disgusting. So I will just write this. It's very good. License key. It's very good. You can see my FX screen is also there. That's why I'm telling you. So I'll just go to this. These 32-bit product keys because I'm running 32-bit. So I also give the link. I also give the product key in the description if you want to run it. So TRL then C means I have to copy it and go to there and paste it. Then go to next, back, the name will be Windows 7 HP means home premium. So I will do this store this in multiple files to do it because it's very no, and we'll do the finish. I click finish also. Then you see when I want to start it, it is saying for activate. Because a valid license key is required to power virtual machines. Now what? So I will see this. Just go to the help tab and then go to the enter license key. Then click enter license key. And your 25 character license key. I will give the link in the description because this is the license key. And see product ID and CTRL and XCB. C. Just copy and I will paste. Okay. Now it will be this VMware product requires administrator privilege. Yes. Obviously yes. I have to do it because I can do it. It's done. Close. Then I will just power on this. If it is done, so good. Yes, it is done and it is powered on VMware. Just click. And if I go there, you can see that my cursor will be down, so I will just leave here and I will just close it, and I will give all the I will try to give all the versions of VMware for your computer from Workstation 9 to Workstation 16. So do this and okay. Then it will see means like setup file. It will do with setup file. If you run anything like bootable USB drive, so it will done by setup file. And you can see that it is telling also Seagate RSS expansion means my hard disk is also on right there. So this is how to open and virtual machine, how to install it, how to activate it, all we can do it. I will just power off it and on this also. So you see guys, how to do it is very easy, and I will try my best to give all the links in the description of VMware 9 to VMware 16 latest. So I'll give the link and also the product key. I will try to give the product key, and you can join my Discord server. There are 2 Discord servers of my gaming and another for my technologers. I will give the link in the description, and I have Twitch account. Twitch account is for gaming, and I don't see that there is no link, so you can friend me, that I don't know. And there's my GitHub accounts also for the gaming mods like that, and also for this setup files. This for our family, and this is my YouTube channel. And subscribe to these 2 channels of Ms. DadaBhaiTechnologers and DadaBhaiTech Gaming. And if you enjoy this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends who have been struggling to download this. So that's for today, guys. Stay home, stay safe, and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.